Today we're going to solve a set theory question, which is a test question. But before we start, subscribe to the channel, help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Leave a like and comment. A cosmetics manufacturer decides to produce 3 different catalogs of their products, targeting different audiences. Since some products will appear in more than one catalog, the manufacturer needs to calculate the number of different possible catalogs he can create if he has 5 products available. How many different subsets of products can he form to make up his catalogs? 25, 32, 16, 28, or 21? Well, he has a set of 5 products. Actually, you need to know how to interpret this question. First, it says he decides to produce 3 different catalogs, but that's just to throw you off. What really matters is that he has 5 products and wants to know how many different subsets of products he can form. You could do this manually, for example, by listing out all the subsets and then counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1. 3, 1, 4, but there's a much easier way, which is, we know that. RK for JL to find the number of subsets of a set. The formula is 2 raised to the power of n, where n is the number of items in the set. If the set has 5 items, then it's 2 to the 5th power, which is just 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 times, right? So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 16 is 32. So, in a quick way, by applying the formula 2 to the n, we find the answer, which is 32 subsets, letter B. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.